Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to watch USA Network on Peacock. If you want to watch USA Network, start by visiting Peacock. If you don't have an account yet, you can either go to the Peacock website or download the Peacock app from your device's app store. You can sign up for a free account or choose a Peacock premium plan for more content, including live TV. USA Network is only available on Peacock's premium plans, either Premium or Premium Plus. If you're on the free plan, you won't be able to access USA Network, so you'll need to upgrade. Once you have Peacock Premium, open the app or website and navigate to the Live TV section. From there, you can find USA Network among the live channels or search for specific shows airing on the network. You can watch USA Network live or on demand, depending on availability. Peacock usually offers both current and past episodes of popular USA Network shows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.